Hello and welcome to Business 360. I'm Shireen Pan. The headlines we're tracking for you this evening. The stock markets end in the red despite a late pullback. The Nifty drops below the 18,000 mark. The Sensex loses over 300 points. Crude oil prices remain on a tight leash after losing 9% since the start of 2023. It's the worst start to a new year for crude since 2007. Windfall tax will not provide a significant fiscal cushion. The estimate of 30 to 40,000 crore rupee benefit is under pressure as oil prices fall below $80 a barrel. Sources add the tax mechanism is likely to continue even if levies become nil due to falling oil prices. That's an exclusive. Vodafone Idea promoter Kumaramangalam Birla meets Telecom Minister Ashwini Vaishnav, seeks to nudge the centre to converting licence fee and spectrum dues into government equity. The government clarifies that equity conversion will be considered only once the telco infuses more funds. Tech layoffs continue in the new year. Amazon will cut 18,000 jobs, which is much higher than the 10,000 it had planned earlier. Salesforce will cut headcount by 10%, which will impact 7,000 jobs. Both companies say they hired too many people during the pandemic. Microsoft Chairman Satya Nadella expects the next 2 years to be challenging for tech companies after the pandemic-fueled growth, admits that Microsoft is not immune and says the tech sector must look inwards to boost efficiency to remain competitive. The government urges banks and financial institutions to be proactive on infrastructure financing. IIFCL pitches for a new infra law. The management tells CNBC-TV18 they're also in talks with the IRDA for ensuring long-term infra projects. Overall vehicle sales dropped by 6% in December after 2 months of positive festive season impact. 2- and 3-wheeler sales are the biggest drag. Commercial and passenger vehicle sales improve on a year-on-year basis. Founder President says the rural market is yet to pick up. Email addresses of more than 200 million Twitter users leaked online. This is likely to be the biggest data breach suffered by the company yet. Washington Post reports the data has been posted to an online hacking forum. A political stalemate in the U.S. Republicans yet to elect a speaker for the House of Representatives as infighting continues. This is the first time in 100 years that the House has failed to elect a speaker on the first roll call. The speaker is the third highest political office in the U.S. after the president and the vice president. Well, let's start with the market action. Stock